Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can use Excel in various languages and regions. So during the course of your operation of Excel, you will come encounter with different kind of decimal separators, thousand separators, date format separators, different forms of functions used based on languages and regions. So you need to understand which is being registered in your operating system so as to know how to work with these functions, formulas, and separators. Okay, so the first thing is the identification of which you use based on your operating system. So I will demonstrate this using my own system. So I will just come to this start and then my settings. Then you will come under time and language. Then here where you have language and region, you scroll down and you can see in my case, I have Nigeria, and then the device setup is US. So I'm mainly working with the US separator, okay? So you can see here the decimal separator for US is this period, okay? While the thousand separator is a comma. Then this is how the date is being written. So the month, then the date, and then the year. So same is different. It is different for Germany. For Germany, you have the decimal separator is a comma instead of the period that we have here. And then the thousand separator is a period instead. Then you can see the date separator is period, and then date comes before months, and so on. So it's also different for Brazil, France, and for India. Now, in the case of our functions and our formulas, when we work with different languages, these functions and formulas are normally in different languages. Okay, so I will show you how you can translate this. So the first way you can do this is to install an add-in in your Excel. So when I come here, let me show you this add-in. So under Microsoft, there's this, I'm going to add this link to the description of the video. So with this, you will be able to see more about this Excel function translator for 365. Then you install it. Once you add it, it will help you with the translation. You can also read through to see how this works. Then another thing is you can actually translate using this site. I'll also add it. So from this site, you can see we have different functions here. I may decide I want to see more about the statistical functions. For example, if I click on statistical, it will open it for me. Then I'll come here. I have my source language, which is already English. Now, for the target language, it is German here. You can see the function for my average. In terms of the German language, I have to use this, okay? So the average A, this is what you're going to use, and so on. So you can also see for chi-squared, for confidence level, this is the translation in German. So if I want to translate it to French, I will just click this, then come to French, and you can also see the translation for each of these in French language. You can choose any language, Polish, and so on, to see what the translation is for each of these functions. You can also change the function. So the first one I selected was for statistical. I can change to financials. So for financial, you can also see the different names. This one is in Germany. And for French, you can also see the various names of the function. For the future value, for example, you can see here, it is VC instead of FV for French. And that's just what it's all about and what I want to demonstrate in this video. So when you look at your decimal separator, it is always based on the region, same as the thousand and the date format. So it's good you check your operating system, then know which one you're working with, and then know how to work with it in Excel. I hope you were able to find this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like the video, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.